Looks like they use this road a lot.
Okay.
The other one looks dead.
We can get back up. Not.
No, this is what you call off-roading on the Rez.
It's be real slow though. Climbing the mountain. Here we should put it back. On my other string.
We should just hook the camera up to the car. Like, where the hell did you guys go? Look at that big old thing. Whoa. That phone keeps going up. Way out in nowhere, just making the only noise out here. Other than the bugs we can hear buzzing around. Here comes another bad road.
I wonder if we can cross that.
You can see it. Well, it looks like this road's been used though. Yeah. The other one didn't have no track. I mean, it did, but old one. Yeah, you just have to go slow on it. Now that's what you call a wash. For everybody out there who don't know what a wash is, this is what a wash is.
Look at these tall bushes.
I am.
We're going at the edge of this one.
Well, I'm going at the edge of this one too.
But this way more.
Yeah, I know, Mom.
Look at that one.
This is a big old
hole way over here.
Oh. Look at that one. Uh-oh. We are stuck. Oh, here we go. I have to be filming. Mom gets all paranoid.
I know. I haven't been out It must have washed out. It's raining. Whoa. I think so. They're putting it in loads here. Scared of heights back there. No. I'm really going.
Okay, where do I go, Ma?
I think
This way, huh?
Yeah.
I hope. You think so? I don't know. This one looks like it's been used more. Over there. Let's pick some corn. I don't know, Ma, are we? We're supposed to go that way. Hell, I don't know.
I think it is.
Yeah, this way. We're all lost in this place. Nothing. Nothing.
Except the house.
Oh, going off the road. Pay attention to the road, man. I'm going all off the bushes. Cattle. Which way do I go?
I'm pretty sure they have to go to the all the way around the field.
Oh dear. There's a bird up there in the sky. 2 of them. Roads out here. I see a road, I think, up there. Huh, in the rough road. Okay, now which way do I go?
I'm pretty. Yeah.
¿En el piano?